Okay, so if you want to throw a party for Valentine's Day, maybe you want to have a Valentine's Day party, or maybe just, want to decorate your home, you guys, you have come to the right place, okay? So, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. But you guys, just the balloon kit itself for a party has me shook, okay? You're gonna see that coming up, but like the balloon kit, the backdrops, the stuff that they have in Hobby Lobby right now for Valentine's Day is giving you hired a party planner, but you didn't really hire a party planner, okay? You see that? Pillow covers, I'm talking, they have everything. The plates, the napkins, the cups, the table runners, everything that you need to throw an event for Valentine's Day is right here in Hobby Lobby, okay? They always have the good stuff. So, we should have known that this wouldn't be any different than any other time. But you guys, they really do have it. Just excuse my text messages because they're going off. But you know what? We're working, okay? We'll get back with them. But anyway, you guys, let's vibe out, listen to some music. See, here we go. See, that was one of the backdrops right there, okay? And the balloon kit is coming up, okay? I just need you to look at the balloon kit and see how nice it is. It looks like if you set this up, it's gonna look like you had a professional come and decorate for your party, okay? It's given, this is why the DIY girlies are doing their thing, okay? Because they know, just come to the store, you can get it done yourself. But anyway, you guys, just vibe out. I'll pop back in with you guys in just a few.
Keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the
Here are these mugs that are heart shaped, you guys. I think these would be nice if you want to get one of those little mug cakes like that they sell at places like Walmart that you can microwave. You put the little mix inside of a mug and microwave it, and then you'll have a cute little heart shaped dessert.
Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the
And I also love the variety of stuff that they have here. You can see the little plate with the hearts. They have a bunch of stuff so that if you want to decorate for, a party that's more for like adults, you can. And then if one is more for like young kids, then you could do that too. So definitely kid friendly and adult type of stuff, because look at this like charcuterie board here. This is, more along the lines of something that you have like for the adults or the Valentines. But they're not really, because you can make some really cute kids charcuterie boards as well with like little brownies and M&Ms and things like that. So yeah, it's just something for everybody, okay? Oh, and the kids stuff will be coming up too.
Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
guys, let me know in the comments down below, do you all really go all out as far as decorating your home for Valentine's Day? Or are these items that you usually only come to Hobby Lobby for if you're going to throw like a specific Valentine's Day event? Like, are you guys really doing this, or is it like, okay, only if I'm having something? Let me know down below.
I'm so hung up on you. I couldn't tell you what it feels like, but I sure think you do. Where do you go when your glass ends up empty?
And this garland is definitely a vibe. I love how many options they had to choose from. They had hearts, they even had just ones that are cute bows, you guys, and they're reasonably priced. Okay, so yeah, make sure that you don't forget that if you're going to be decorating for Valentine's Day.
Babe, just keep on dancing like we're not bound. Numbers on the clock, I'll be ready when we go down.
Another cute way to decorate for Valentine's Day would be to use those string lights that look like little hearts. They definitely had a lot of those to choose from, a couple different colors, and I saw them in more than one section of the store. So yeah, if you're a fan of string lights, check those out too.
Where do you go when your glass ends up empty? Oh, I wanna know, won't you?
Okay, and you know I couldn't forget about the kiddos. If you are going to be getting together some Valentines for the kids, maybe you're gonna have like a little party and you need all of the little things to go in the little treat bags, you guys, they have some really cute stuff, just little Valentine's tattoos. They have lip glosses, glasses, bubbles, all the cool stuff. And I really think that the kids are gonna like this. And then don't worry, I'm gonna get like up close so that you can see some of the items. I'll hold them in my hand so that you can see them. But there is a lot of stuff to choose from for the kids too. So bring the kids with you when you go to Hobby Lobby so that they can pick out all the little stuff and just be able to shop with you and find the stuff that they like for their little friends. And I think it's so adorable that they have little things like face masks here too for the kids for Valentine's Day. Oh, it would be such a cute thing to just have like a little spa day or spa party with, you know, all the other little Valentine's Day decorations and just have a whole little self-care moment of it.
Never let him get you down. Gonna make you stay just fine. 이대로 모자라지도 넘치지도 않아. 'Cause I got my collection. 따뜻한 물에 bathe 향기 가득한 로션 촉촉해줘. My cocoa bomb. Oh, I don't care what they say. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. Oh baby, say it and make it a daily brighter day. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. Oh baby, it's alright to be right. Goes on and on, yeah. Detour 한 개 하얀 벚꽃만 바랬던 날 거꾸로서길 바랬던 예전 소원 이룬 날 너의 문자.
Okay, you guys, so we're reaching the end of today's video. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, hit the bell notification so that you're notified whenever I upload, and make sure you share this video with someone else who might be looking for some Valentine's Day finds. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching.
I just want.